guys, good morning. Welcome to Drakey's channel. So, today's episode is sasama ko po kayo sa behind the scenes ng experiment namin sa DNA. Kukuha kami ng DNA galing sa fruits. So, samahan niyo po kami guys. See you later.
Oh, extraction of DNA
Extraction of DNA
from banana.
of banana.
From banana.
From banana. Extraction of DNA from banana.
So let me resume recording this, by the way. Alright, so this process is actually very straightforward and it's actually very simple. So as you can see here, you will only be needing materials that are commonly encountered in your household. Okay? So we'll try to extract the DNA from this banana today. Okay? So we'll have a short time, so we'll make it fast. Alright? So what are the things that we need to do this? Okay? So of course, first, we need to have your banana. Okay? Because this is our sample that we're going to extract. And then secondly, we need to have your sodium chloride. Okay? So in your household, where can you actually see sodium chloride, man? You can actually see it in your salt, table salt. Is that clear? No? So, pwede na mo gamit og asin sa iyong balay. Alright? So this is now your table salt. Okay, so karon kay ako gigamit kay industrial lang nga sodium chloride. Okay? And then you will also be needing isopropyl alcohol. No? Asa man tani makita sa atong balay ang isopropyl alcohol class. You can actually see this in rubbing alcohol. So kanang na ay 70% na rubbing alcohol, kanang isopropyl, that is where you can actually see it. Okay? So it should be ice cold. Meaning to say, ibutang niyo siya sa freezer. No? You place your isopropyl alcohol in the freezer before using it. So I will explain later what is the significance, ganun kailangan siya nga bugnaw. Okay? Sige, and then lastly, we also need your dishwashing liquid. Okay? Sige, or your liquid soap. Alright? So how do we do this? No, so the first thing we need to do, class, is to actually, di ba? Asa ito makita ng atong DNA? Your DNA is actually located in the nucleus. Mean to say, it's located inside the cell. So what's the first process we need to do? No? The first process we need to do, class, is to actually peel your banana. So we're gonna let the DNA come out from the cell. So how do we do that? We actually crush your banana. No, we actually mash your banana. By doing so, we're actually damaging the cells of your banana. So after that, no, so we can only use half of it, no? So you could only use half, okay? So imo siya ibutang sa imong cellophane. So if you have Ziplocs in your home, you can actually use the Ziploc because it's actually much easier to do it, no? So by smashing the banana, class, no? Like that. By smashing it, you actually are damaging mechanically the cells of your banana. So we want to do it so that your DNA will come out from the cell. Okay? So you just mash it for like a minute. Like that. So again, you may use Ziploc because it's actually more easier. Okay, so why banana ang atong gigamit nga fruit? First, of course, it's easily, dali na kayo siya mamash, no? Even by hand, we can actually easily mash it. Correct? And then the other reason for this is your banana is actually a triploid. Kasi pa sa ang triploid, mean to say it contains 3 pairs of chromosome. Unlike humans nga diploid raman ta, di ba? Ang atuang kanang kuan class, ang atuang banana kay triploid na siya. Mean to say, it has more chromosomes than your human. So that is why nga, we can actually extract a lot of DNA from this. Okay? Crush na mo siya. Okay? So you see, our banana is already crushed. So after that, we add a tablespoon of salt. So I'll get a tablespoon here of salt. So this is actually pure sodium chloride. Kaya kana magong salt nga naa sa inyong kuan class, the salt that you actually have in your household is actually it's actually iodized. So kani siya sodium chloride ra gid ni. Okay? A tablespoon of that, I'll place it there. And then I'll add 100 ml of water. So I'll get water sa everyone. So after I added salt, I now add 100 ml of water. Okay? Mash it again. So what is the function of the salt? So I will explain later. Okay? So after that, you add your salt. Mga about 1 tablespoon of it. Okay. So during this process class, no, so naka-add na kag soap, no. Equal amount of cold isopropyl alcohol. So you make sure, class, when you add the cold isopropyl alcohol, you don't mix the 2 liquids together, because you will see that at the junction between the 2 liquid, you will find solid materials producing, and that is basically your DNA. Okay? So na ako'y cold isopropyl alcohol. This is my cold isopropyl alcohol. So I will add it now here. Is-superimpose ako siya, no? And then after that, I'll just have to wait for a few minutes. No, I'll just have to wait for a few minutes, and then my DNA will start appearing at the junction between the 2 liquid. Maklaro rin yung class ang junction? Hello? Maklaro rin nyo? Hello? Mute mo. So kanang mga kaning junction diha na siya mga cloud-like particles nga ni-form, no? It's not very clear in the camera though, but that white more cloud-like particles appearing at the junction of the 2 liquids, that's basically your DNA. Can you see it? Can you see it? So it's actually better, class, if you use a lot of the solution that we filtered. Kaya nga naman, mas dagan ta makita nga DNA. Is that clear? Can you see it? Kani ba? Na siya more cloud-like particles nga na uniform. You see it? Hello, class? Okay na.
Yung laptop, sir, hindi ka patuloy.
Lagi. So, mao na siya. That is basically now your DNA. So, basically, kailangan sa mga crime scene, ginani sa din nila pag-extract. Although, dili mga household materials ilang gigamit, na ay special nga detergent ilang gigamit class, no? So, special lang detergent gigamit dili kay since we want to do it at home, we will only be using this one. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay? So it's now your time to actually demonstrate it to yourself. So I actually posted there an activity, a group activity in your cello. If you've seen it, correct? So you follow the procedures and how to do it, and then you try to create a video just like the one you did with emulsification. Is that clear? And then you answer as well the worksheet. Right? So mo na siya. This is now the DNA that we were able to extract. No, so gamay ra siya kay gamay ra man nga solution ang atong gigamit. No, so if you want to have a high yield of DNA class, I would suggest you use strawberry, but it's optional ha. It's optional. It's not required. Basta kailangan mo mamalit og strawberry, mahal ba ang strawberry? So it's not required, but it actually yields more result. And then I suggest kana bitong mag-mix na mo sa isopropyl alcohol, ibutang ninyo siya sa inyuhang kuan, no? Ibutang ninyo siya sa inyuhang kanang baso nga clear. Kaya para mas maklaro ninyo ang separation sa DNA. Okay? Questions so far? Questions? Huh? Questions? None. Okay, so if none, then that would be all for now. So see you all again on Wednesday. Okay, so I will discuss further your group activity on Wednesday class. Okay, so I hope that you've learned something from that. So basically, we're able to somehow extract just a little DNA from your banana. Okay, because all living things contains DNA. So that will be all for now. Goodbye, everyone, and see you all on Wednesday. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.